Hi Jay, my name is Michaela, and I spoke with Haley on the phone today, and she mentioned that I could send you this quick email. I am giving out free customized videos just to carpet cleaners in your area that goes over your websites with you, shows you how to get new leads from just your website alone, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to start, with having some background in digital marketing, I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect over anything else I talk with you about today, is going to be content. So content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So this right here, like a little paragraph would count, as well as a little bit here, and that's it. So not a lot of content on your homepage. Let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you some examples, okay? So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your number one search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, all right? So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. In doing so, I did some research on some different competition in your area, and I'm going to recommend that you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content your homepage alone. Doing that is going to allow you to be found by Google when it does the sweep of the internet. With that said, on every additional page that you have for every service, we recommend that you usually have between 750 to 1,000 words of content for particular reasons, okay? Number one, it's going to add content to your website, which what do we know about content? Google loves it. The more content you have on your site, the easier it is for Google to move you on multiple search options, as well as it allows us to appropriately put keywords that you want to be found for in your area in the text. So for every carpet cleaning keyword you want your business to rank for and be found for, then that keyword needs to be present in the content on your website. Let me take it a step further and show you this. This is Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're not getting a ton of traffic because we're not ranking for a lot of keywords. So when we go here, just Durham carpet cleaning. So just the area that you live in and carpet cleaning in general, but there's a ton of other keywords that you could be ranking for and be visible as a search option when people do those searches. So getting more content and keywords put into the website is going to allow you to be exposed and found for multiple searches. Next, I want to take your attention to these two numbers. This UR is directly related to citations, and as we see here, when I do a basic Google search, the Google map is the first thing to pop up, and you are number 3 on the Google map, so great job. This is how we typically get that UR number up, and I'm going to tell you why those numbers are important in just a second. What I would recommend is that you keep getting citations. Just because you secured a top 3 position, I would go for the number 1 position. And in doing so, the more citations you get, the wider that barrier between them and you gets, making it harder for anyone to outrank you in this platform. So it's not something you would constantly have to update if you were able to get a lot of citations and move up to the top. In doing so, that UR number is going to go up. When both of these numbers go up, your ranking goes up, as well as you create a lot of linear stability for your position on Google. So as you can see, you've kind of been declining over the last 3 months. You were going steady, you had a little spike, and then you had a dip, and then you're low again. And so that's just going to create a lot of linear stability with your position in Google. Lastly, and probably one of the most important aspects, is going to be this DR, which refers to backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business's website. So think like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality referring domains to host our backlink is going to throw a lot of that influence back to our website. And in doing so, this DR is going to go up again to help secure linear stability for our business. So just to recap, I would recommend 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone, as well as 750 to 1,000 on every other additional service page with appropriate keywords that you want to rank for in your area and be seen by more people. Get some more citations to get it to the top of that GMB, to keep this moving up, to create that linear stability, and get good quality backlinks on trusted domains to refer a lot of that influence back to our site. These backlinks also will reflect the keywords that you have in your content. So if you want to rank for specific keywords, have your backlinks point from them to your keywords, okay? And then that'll get a lot of content and stability moving with your keywords so that you get found on multiple searches. Well, I hope this was good information for you. That's all I have for you today. Please send me an email. Let me know what you thought about this. I would greatly appreciate it. But for now, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.